Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this episode of Scoop School. Nice to have you here. We're broadcasting from St. Louis, Missouri. We do these videos to basically help people get into the ice cream business, to grow their ice cream business. And let me tell you, we have had great feedback from all over the planet. People in countries, the Philippines, Indonesia, Africa, the Middle East, saying that they basically followed their dreams and opened up their own ice cream shops based solely on the content of these videos. It warms the cockle of my heart. So thank you very much for tuning in. It's great to be able to hear your success stories. We'd love to hear more about them. In fact, I think we might dedicate a quick video series to success stories in the business as a result of people coming through Scoop School. Anyway, enough self-promotion. I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Lockheed Vanilla, based right here. Have you seen David Brent's The Office bloopers? Right here. Right here. In the hot seat. Anyway, Lockheed Vanilla are based here in St. Louis. They're a 100-year-old company, 3 generations. They know everything about vanilla. Now, your boy down there is Matt Raymond. Look, the Lockheed brothers, they'd love to talk to you, but they're so busy churning product and visiting Madagascar and digging wells for the people out there. Great company. But Matt Raymond, if you ever want to have any vanilla questions, he's the person to talk to. Anyway, their link is down below. So click on there, have a look at the story of vanilla. Great supporters of Scoop School. We thank them for their episode sponsorship. Okay, this session we're going to talk a little bit about cleaning. Now, a couple of weeks ago, the industry was kind of taken aback by a peanut butter scare. And Jif and many other peanut butter companies announced a recall because there was the possibility that there was salmonella in the product. And we had a great webinar from Dr. Sam L. Kane from Cornell University. If you are an association member, North American Ice Cream Association, we have a replay of that. Reach out. If you are not a member of the association, hey, you need to get on board. Dr. Al Kane, in the process of talking about cleaning, sanitizing, food safety in regards to ice cream, spoke about a cleaning register. And this is what I love about this industry is you learn something new all the time. Just when you think you've just about seen it all, I've been in the industry over 25 years, now we kind of hear these things that, oh, maybe we should be doing this or doing that. One of the things that came up in that webinar was your cleaning protocol, in particularly recording the cleaning protocol. And what that meant basically was that you have either a digital spreadsheet or a manual register where at the end of every batch you're saying that the machine was cleaned like this. It was cleaned using Sterashine, 100 parts per million. It was cleaned as per St. Louis County's health code, and it was certified by you or whoever the batch freezer operator was. Now, I would probably say that over 80% of ice cream makers do not record when they clean or how they cleaned at the end of every batch or even between batches. That was something that I learned that I should be doing that. There should be a register of every production day that I am conducting. It should have the lot number and the product type, what went into that and its lot number, so what variegates, flavors and so forth. And you should be also recording when and how you clean the machine and basically sign off on that. If there's ever a recall, let's say in this example a peanut butter product and your peanut butter swirl ice cream has to be recalled, does everything have to be recalled? Did you clean that machine properly? The health department may want to know, well, what did you run after that peanut butter product? Well, we kind of wash, rinse, sanitize the machine afterwards like we always do. We use Sterashine in there. It's kind of what we do. Do you have record of that? No, we don't. That's what we always do. Well, this is what came out in this training was you should have a record of it. It can be digital on an Excel spreadsheet or a Google sheet. It could be manual or analog. Do you call it analog when you write it down? Could be written. But every production day now you'd be able to keep those records, and again you need to have a cleaning process in there as well, so you can almost guarantee that the products that were ran after you cleaned, after that peanut butter run, were safe for your consumers to do. I really would advise you to start that process. A little bit of a scare this last couple of weeks with a lot of ice cream makers saying, well, you know, am I affected by this peanut butter recall? You may have been. But all of these kind of trickle-down processes come as a result of that, and one of them is recording your batches and recording your cleaning schedule. Very interesting. I'm interested in your cleaning schedule, whether you do that, whether you are maybe one of the 5 or 10% of ice cream makers that do record how and when you cleaned and sign off on that. Interesting and important. Again, thank you to Lockheed Vanilla for sponsoring this video. Look, if you have an ice cream conundrum, a problem, a question, you want to get into the business, you're already in the business, we are here to do the research and help you. This is what this channel is for. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and as we always finish up with, keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.